Welcome to our channel. This is part 2. If you haven't watched the previous video, check out the link in the description. Today, we uncovered how embracing nutrient-rich foods, simple cooking methods, and the joy of eating can revolutionize your weight loss journey, making healthy eating both delicious and sustainable. Why the nutrient-rich world's healthiest foods promote healthy weight loss. So, what is it about nutrient-rich foods that makes them such a powerful tool for healthy weight loss? Well, there are a few key reasons. First, these foods provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function at its best, especially when it comes to metabolism. That includes critical processes like fat burning, or as scientists call it, beta oxidation. Without the right nutrients, your body struggles to break down fat efficiently. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Nutrient-rich foods give you maximum nutrition for minimal calories. This is what experts often refer to as nutrient density. Let's compare two very different ways of eating. Imagine someone whose diet consists mainly of ultra-processed, high-fat fast food. Sure, if they eat enough of it, they might eventually get some essential nutrients. But here's the problem. Most vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients needed for a healthy metabolism are virtually missing from these foods. And what's the result? They have to eat thousands of calories just to get even basic nutrition. We're talking 6,000 to 7,000 calories of poor quality food just to meet minimum nutrient requirements. And you know what that leads to? Unwanted fat storage, sluggish metabolism, and weight gain. Now, let's flip the script. What happens when you focus on nutrient-rich, low-calorie foods instead? This is where the world's healthiest foods come in. These foods provide the perfect balance, low in calories but packed with nutrients, giving your body what it needs without the excess energy that leads to fat gain. And guess what? Research overwhelmingly supports this approach. When you eat nutrient-dense foods, you naturally lose weight without feeling deprived. And the best part? You don't need to starve yourself or eat boring, bland meals. With the right strategy, you can get all the essential nutrients your body craves while enjoying delicious, satisfying meals. All while staying under 1,600 calories a day. And that's exactly what I'll show you in the Healthy Weight Loss Eating Plan, where you'll learn how to structure your meals for optimal weight loss success. Why the world's healthiest foods are health-promoting foods. What if the key to losing weight, feeling energized, and even improving your overall health wasn't about restriction, but about eating the right foods? The world's healthiest foods are packed with essential nutrients that help your body function at its best. And that's the secret to achieving vibrant health and sustainable weight loss. Scientists have studied the link between nutrient-rich foods and chronic conditions like obesity, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and high blood sugar. The results? These foods don't just lower the risk of these conditions, they actually enhance your daily well-being. Imagine waking up with more energy, thinking more clearly, having glowing skin, and feeling an overall sense of vitality. That's the power of the world's healthiest foods. But what makes them so effective? It's not just about being rich in one or two nutrients, it's about the whole package. Here's the truth. No single miracle food or magic nutrient can transform your health. Instead, it's the way different nutrients work together in whole, natural foods that makes the real difference. So, by focusing on these nutrient-rich, health-promoting foods, you're not just improving your weight loss results. You're unlocking your body's full potential for long-term health, energy, and vitality. How the health-promoting nutrients in the world's healthiest foods contribute to health and healthy weight loss. Think of your healthy cells as the spark plugs that jumpstart your metabolism. When these cells function optimally, your body's energy systems, those that drive metabolism and burn fat, work at peak performance. And that's exactly where the nutrient-rich world's healthiest foods come into play. Scientific studies have consistently shown that health-promoting nutrients are the secret behind efficient cellular function. These nutrients support every system in your body, whether it's the nervous, cardiovascular, digestive, musculoskeletal, or detoxification system, and they are especially crucial for those systems that generate energy and spark your metabolism. Here's another critical point. Excess fat, particularly visceral fat, isn't just extra storage for calories. It acts like an endocrine organ that ramps up inflammation. Many of the nutrients in the world's healthiest foods work together to keep inflammation under control. This is key because when you lose unwanted fat, you also reduce that harmful inflammation, addressing one of the root causes of many health problems. Unlike traditional diets that simply cut calories, often leaving you nutrient deprived, this approach focuses on a balanced intake of nutrient-rich foods. This means you meet your body's nutrient needs without overloading on calories. By priming your metabolic pump with these low-calorie, high-nutrient foods, burning stored fat becomes almost inevitable. Plus, these foods naturally satisfy your appetite. They're loaded with a diverse range of components like soluble and insoluble fiber, amino acids, and fatty acids, each playing a biochemical role in promoting satiety. Essentially, the world's healthiest foods fill you up without filling you out, ensuring you enjoy your meals while fueling your body with the essential nutrients it needs. When you choose these nutrient-dense foods, you're not just avoiding empty calories, you're gaining vitality and setting your body up for sustainable, healthy weight loss. The healthy weight loss eating plan will show you how easy it is to enjoy nutrient-rich world's healthiest foods. One of the biggest challenges people face when switching to a healthier lifestyle is figuring out where to start. It can feel completely overwhelming. That's exactly why I developed the Healthy Weight Loss Eating Plan. This plan combines the power of the world's healthiest foods with our unique, healthiest way of cooking methods, all wrapped up in a menu full of great-tasting recipes. Imagine having a plan that takes all the guesswork out of your meals for an entire 4 weeks. No more wondering what to eat for breakfast or dinner. Everything is clearly laid out. By the end of the 4 weeks, you'll not only understand how to incorporate these delicious, nutrient-packed foods into your routine, but eating healthily will become almost second nature. And because you'll feel amazing, you won't ever want to quit. The plan is powerful because it brings together a variety of nutrient-rich foods that work synergistically. These foods contain a whole range of nutrients that, when combined, offer benefits far greater than when they're taken individually. Think of it as a nutritional team where every player supports each other to help boost your health and promote weight loss. If you're ready to step onto the cutting edge of the healthiest way of eating, this plan shows you how to enjoy delicious meals made from a variety of the world's healthiest foods. It's a simple, enjoyable path to a slimmer, more vibrant, and healthier life. New paradigm in weight loss. Most weight loss plans force you to adopt a completely new diet, one you've never experienced before and probably won't ever stick with long term. They rely on the novelty factor, hoping that the special twists in their weight loss theory will keep you engaged, even if it means following an unbalanced regimen that's only meant for the short term. And what happens next? You get bored, you revert to the eating habits that led to weight gain in the first place, and soon enough, you're back where you started, waiting for the next miracle diet to promise a fresh start. Here's where the approach I'm sharing with you stands apart. The world's healthiest foods aren't about gimmicks or temporary fixes. They're about embracing everyday eating habits that naturally keep you lean and healthy. Instead of forcing you into a fad, this method focuses on a package of nutrient-rich foods paired with quick, easy recipes and smart menu suggestions. Healthy weight loss. Without dieting isn't a diet at all. It's a way of eating that transforms your life. By enjoying a wide variety of the world's healthiest foods, prepared with methods that enhance flavor while preserving nutrients, you're not sacrificing taste or variety. You're simply choosing a delicious and potent path to a healthier, more vibrant life. This new paradigm completely leaves behind those catchy fad diets with unusual food rules or harsh restrictions. It's built on tried and true principles of healthy eating that you can follow every day, even when you're determined to shed those extra pounds. Basic rules for a healthier way of eating. Our approach centers on 3 simple, powerful rules. First, focus on nutrient-rich foods. like the world's healthiest foods, that deliver the most nutrients for the fewest calories. Second, embrace simple, quick cooking practices that preserve as much of a food's natural goodness as possible. And finally, never forget the joy of eating. That magical pleasure that comes from the delicious tastes and textures of real food. I have woven these guiding principles into the healthy weight loss. Without dieting method, a strategy free of gimmicks and temporary food restrictions. As you adjust your meal plan to facilitate weight loss, you're also setting yourself up for lifelong health and a sustainable lower weight. The world's healthiest foods prepare you not just for a short-term fix, but for optimal health and weight maintenance for life. This new paradigm doesn't involve tedious counting of calories, carbohydrates, or grams of fat. Sure, balance is important. Burn more calories than you consume, and keep those macros in check. But our nutrient-rich approach lets these foods do the work for you. Our recipes and food preparation tips naturally combine whole, natural foods in a balanced, delicious way. That's the beauty of the world's healthiest foods. They're designed to give you maximum satisfaction while offering the best opportunity for weight loss. They never taste like diet food. With our healthy weight loss eating plan, you get the best of both worlds, delicious flavors and effective, lasting weight loss. Other diets force you to choose between taste and results, but our method delivers both, making healthy eating a truly enjoyable experience. And that wraps up part 2 of our journey to healthy, effortless weight loss with the world's healthiest foods. But we're just getting started. There's so much more to uncover. To dive deeper into the secrets of natural weight loss, boosting energy, and eating for optimal health, check out the playlist link in the description for the rest of this series. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next part. See you there. Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.